The Vietnam War was not fought on open fields or clear front lines. It was fought in jungles, tunnels, mud, and close-quarters chaos. This was a war that pushed American weapons to their absolute limits. Rifles jammed in humidity, machine guns sank into mud, and firepower had to adapt to an enemy that rarely fought face-to-face. Every weapon carried into Vietnam had to survive heat, rain, ambushes, and brutal close combat. Some weapons failed, others evolved. A few became legends. This series documents every major American weapon that defined the Vietnam War, not as museum pieces, but as tools used daily in one of the most unforgiving battlefields in modern history. Rifles and carbines. M16, the new standard rifle of the Vietnam War. Early reliability issues caused deadly jamming problems, but it ultimately became the most iconic weapon of the conflict. M14, powerful but heavy, difficult to control in dense jungle fighting, and quickly phased out as the primary rifle. M1 Garand, a legendary World War II rifle still used during the early years of Vietnam. M1 Carbine, lightweight and compact, ideal for support troops and close environments. Stoner 63, a modular weapon system far ahead of its time, primarily used by Navy SEALs. Sniper rifles. M40, bolt-action sniper rifle used by Marine snipers, known for accuracy and lethality. M21, semi-automatic sniper rifle based on the M14, giving Army marksmen faster follow-up shots. M1903A4 Springfield, a World War II-era sniper rifle still effective in Vietnam's jungle terrain. Winchester Model 70, favored by legendary marksmen for its simplicity and precision. Machine guns and automatic weapons. M60, nicknamed the Pig. It delivered heavy firepower but was difficult to carry through mud and jungle. M1919A6, a lighter variant of a classic design, still effective despite its age. M1918 BAR, a heavy automatic rifle providing serious firepower for mobile infantry. M134 minigun, firing thousands of rounds per minute, it turned helicopters into flying walls of fire. Submachine guns. M3 grease gun. Cheap, simple, and reliable, remaining in service longer than expected. Thompson M1A1. Heavy but extremely reliable in close combat. Smith & Wesson M76. Developed for clandestine operations and special forces. Carl Gustaf M45. Swedish K. Highly reliable in wet jungle conditions. MAC-10, extremely compact with an extremely high rate of fire. Madsen M50, compact and maneuverable with limited but effective use. M16, the most iconic rifle of the Vietnam War. Lightweight, fast-firing, and modern, the M16 was introduced as the future of infantry combat. Early versions suffered from severe reliability issues due to ammunition problems and lack of proper maintenance training. Over time, improvements turned it into the standard rifle that would shape modern warfare. Powerful, accurate, and reliable, but too heavy and long for jungle fighting. The M14 excelled at longer ranges, but struggled in close, fast-moving engagements. Its recoil and size made it difficult to control in dense vegetation, leading to its gradual replacement by the M16. Powerful, accurate, and reliable, but too heavy and long for jungle fighting. The M14 excelled at longer ranges, but struggled in close, fast-moving engagements. Its recoil and size made it difficult to control in dense vegetation, leading to its gradual replacement by the M16 M1 carbine. Lightweight and easy to carry. The M1 carbine was favored by support troops, officers, and special units. While its cartridge lacked the power of full-size rifles, its compact design made it practical in jungle and rear area operations. Stoner 63, a weapon ahead of its time. The Stoner 63 was a modular system that could be configured as a rifle, carbine, or light machine gun. Used mainly by Navy SEALs and Special Operations Forces, it offered flexibility and high firepower, but required careful maintenance. M40 sniper rifle, a precision tool built for patience. The M40 was a bolt-action sniper rifle used by U.S. Marine Corps snipers in Vietnam. Designed for accuracy rather than volume of fire, it allowed Marines to engage targets at long distances in jungle and open terrain. Its reliability and precision made it one of the most respected sniper rifles of the war. M60 machine gun, firepower at a heavy cost. Nicknamed the Pig, the M60 delivered devastating automatic fire in Vietnam. It became the backbone of infantry fire support, but was heavy, difficult to carry, and sensitive to dirt and mud. Despite its flaws, soldiers trusted it when overwhelming firepower was needed. M79 grenade launcher. One soldier, one explosive. The M79 gave infantrymen portable explosive firepower. Capable of launching high explosive, smoke, and illumination rounds, it was extremely effective in jungle combat and against enemy positions hidden behind cover. Its single-shot design forced users to rely on accuracy and timing. The M203 grenade launcher was developed to give infantry soldiers instant explosive firepower without sacrificing their primary rifle. Mounted beneath rifles such as the M16 and M4, the M203 allowed a single soldier to switch seamlessly between standard rifle fire and 40mm grenades. This made it extremely effective in environments where enemies were hidden behind cover, inside bunkers, or in dense jungle terrain. The launcher fires a single-shot 40mm grenade using a sliding barrel mechanism. Soldiers could load high explosive rounds, smoke grenades, illumination rounds, or less lethal ammunition depending on the mission. This versatility made the M203 one of the most adaptable support weapons in modern infantry combat. In Vietnam and later conflicts, the M203 proved especially valuable for engaging targets that were out of reach of small arms fire. A well-placed grenade could clear enemy positions, mark targets, or provide smoke cover for movement. Despite its effectiveness, the M203 had limitations. Its single-shot design required careful timing and accuracy, and its range was shorter than dedicated grenade launchers. Still, its ability to integrate directly with a rifle made it a trusted tool for infantry units. The M203 did not replace the rifle. It expanded what one soldier could do on the battlefield.